Yeah, it's recorded. Hello?
Yeah. So have you gone through the registration process in each one of these? They are slightly different from each other.
Sorry, can you repeat it? Because I
Have you gone through registration process in each one of
I gone through even Cultit. I have Cultfit. I have. Sorry. So I did the registration. Yeah. So it is based on the simple OTP.
Yeah, this is
the
yeah. So there is no password as such.
yes.
Every time you can register with the OTP if you log out.
So similar way we need to keep.
So this can't be the only way, right? You can have somebody wants to use password way, that's also fine. But for example, some places I go, I don't have mobile access. I have internet access, but I don't have mobile access. Right? Where in those places the OTP will not work. Right? I'm traveling abroad. I have not taken any mobile package, but I have Wi-Fi access. How will this work? Right? So we have to look at those also.
In health card, we don't have a login, right?
There is a login. All of them have login. Yeah, see that above user.
No, I just want
Login, sign up, both are there.
Okay, so here mobile number and a password. But here also login via out. This is optional.
Both options are there, right? So this is something which is fine. If somebody say forgot password, you can do login via UTP or yeah.
Okay.
See, so neatly those three options are there. If you just do a password and click on login below, it will do a login. Forgot password is there on the right hand side. And login via OTP is also there. And the first line need not be a mobile number. It can be an email ID also.
Okay.
And of course, the login options that are mentioned below: Facebook, Google, all of that. I think those are mentioned in the registration workflow.
Yes.
So use the registration workflow has these details, by the way. Where is it? Functional specifications.
Functional, yeah.
In that there is a registration workflow that is common for whether it is app or web app. Registration. User. Administration. User.
On that document, OTP is not mentioned because website we are not taken from OTP.
User registration. Reset password by OTP I have mentioned, but not okay.
Not for the login.
If you go to the, it's in the web app requirements page. There is a user registration section. Your
Okay, so I kept it that login is email ID or phone number, password. Either
Okay.
they will
You're
put a
sharing
password or
screen
OTP.
from mobile. If you want, you may want to switch to share screen by laptop
Mm,
so
yes,
that we
yes.
can see what you are seeing. I mean,
One
I have the document in front of me. I can relate to it, but I don't think others can.
one sec. Can I give you the access?
Hmm?
Can I give the access or?
Everybody will have access. I'm just saying share screen.
Means screen
So that,
sharing. I need to give you access.
no, no, you can know. You're reading
Okay.
from somewhere, right?
Okay, okay. No, that I. One second.
Okay. I mean, if the document is not open, I can do the share screen.
Mm.
Okay, I'll do it anyway. Okay, I think it's disabled. You need to enable it if I have to share.
One second. Medit your host.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Yes.
This in the shared folder, web app requirements document is there. In that, there is a user registration section right here. Various ways a user can register. This includes a login and forgot password and sign up. These are the three ways.
Mm.
Okay, the first time user comes and does a sign up. After that, it's all. After that, he can do login or forgot password.
Mm.
Login, we are saying either email or phone. Some people may do phone based login. Some people may do email based login. Either way, it's fine.
Mm.
Uh, Options to log in by Apple, Facebook, Google. Later, these can be added, but initially these. Okay. Once we do corporate integration, we will need this also at some point of time.
Mm.
I- If you look at Zoom login options, you can do login by single sign-on because it's used by corporates also.
Mm.
I can, for example, I can use the JJ's ID to log in. I can use my VMware ID to log into Zoom.
Mm.
So it will use my VMware authentication, my corporate authentication.
Mm.
Okay, so this is for corporate authentication, single sign-on. Okay.
Mm.
And this is if you have this HDFC or ICICI apps on your phone,
Mm.
you know that you can log in using biometrics, right?
Yeah, thumbs.
Yeah,
Mm.
your yeah. I mean, it
Mm.
can be face or thumb.
Mm.
A lot of them have face recognition also now.
Mm.
Okay, so that's again, these are all in later phases.
Mm.
Um, right, all of these in later phases, but it is in that priority order. First priority order is this, second priority order is this.
Mm.
After that, you can work on these.
Okay. So, sorry to disturb here. That Apple one,
Hmm.
we decided later stage. You need now.
No, as I said, right, priority order. So first is this, after that it's this, after that it's this.
Okay.
So you can say phase one, phase two, phase three.
Mm.
So you
Okay.
decide when the phase two is.
Mm.
Um, right.
Okay.
This is
Mm.
forgot password, reset password by email
Mm.
or reset password by OTP.
Mm.
OTP, I yeah, ask for registered mobile number. Okay, sign up. Um, Sign up at the minimum. Ask for these things. Whenever you have biometric support, you need to ask, can I use biometrics for login? This is all at the sign up. Again, depends on when the feature is supported. Right, but at the minimum during sign up, we may want this, and it may be this or this and or this. If somebody gives both, good. If somebody gives at least one of these two,
From a contactability perspective, isn't both mandatory PR to capture the mobile number as well?
somebody can be on mobile only.
Hmm.
Somebody can be on email only. Yeah, I mean, getting mobile would be good. Uh,
Because email, I hope, see, currently we don't have an authentication when a user signs up with any dummy email.
hmm.
So the new version, will we have that authentication?
Yes, yes. We should have. I think I have mentioned that verified is a.
Hmm.
Have I mentioned the verified status of it? See, in terms of the profile completeness, see, profile should have a completeness indicator. Is your profile complete or
Ah,
not?
yeah.
Okay, for the profile to be complete, uh, verified. Okay, I guess I wouldn't want to put it here. We should do it here itself. We should do immediate verification. Yeah, it should be part of the sign up itself. So if somebody signs up by phone only, use the OTP verification right away. If somebody signs up, provides phone and email, you can do one verification right away. The other verification can be pending, but needs to be verified before he gets any emails and stuff. So emails and all goes to only verified emails.
What about the location capture, which currently we do?
Um, see, for that there is much longer mm, thought process. So location, as in you're saying, um, um, the runner's location, or you're talking about which
Training
city?
location in terms of JJs.
Hmm.
So I'm asking what will happen from an overall perspective.
Hmm. See, that is very JJ centric thing.
Hmm.
Mm. So that can be at the time of first program registration. It can be, see, some information we need to capture um, based on his login, which is where is the person, which
Yeah,
which
IP1.
city which city is he in, and all of that, which is something already being done. Right. With this, you don't get the exact location. You get to know which city that person is, and use this information to provide initial set of uh, program slash product accesses.
Hmm.
And once he is registering for any particular activity, that is the time. Um, Again, depending on the provider. See, because every provider may not have that detailed
Yeah,
physical location,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
So, for example, I'll give you the example of cult. When I sign up for something, I mean, before this COVID times,
Hmm.
when I sign up for an activity, I can choose to do it in JP Nagar cult, or I can choose to do it in Jayanagar cult,
Right.
right? So I'm not married to a particular location.
Hmm.
Um, based on my current GPS location, you can shortlist, you can specify which are the nearest few and give me options for those, and I can sign up for that. Or if I have chosen a location for a previous program, you remember that for all the future ones, but at the same time give the option to change the default.
Okay. Sounds better, because currently we have a challenge user, opting for a different location on sign up and then getting onto registration on different, on some other location, asking
Yeah,
to change. We have the challenge now.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it has to be little more fluid um, from the way it is currently. It has to become little more fluid, where user has the option to change it. So that's the thought process I had.
Okay. So Pierre, after immediate login, we have a multiple provider. So the based on the IP address, definitely that JJS or the based on the location, that provider app will be open, right? That.
So
Huh.
again, I think you and I had discussed this, but probably forgot. So we need to have an ability for, let's say, if JJS is sharing access to Anka app to the people. Okay. If JJS is sharing it, the link will have JJ's some unique identifier, which can be passed to the launching of the app, right? So all of that can be done, and the provider gets selected that way.
Okay.
The provider gets selected that way. See, there are multiple ways. If very similar to, I mean, think on similar lines to your web app, right? In your web app, if somebody comes to jjs.onkaactive.com, there is no provider selection because provider has already been selected.
Yes, yes.
Right. So from that page, if there is a download app link, the download app link under jjs.onkaactive.com should have JJ's unique identifier as a suffix. And that will go to the Android or iOS somewhere as a metadata, right? And that metadata gets pushed when the app gets launched, right? And when the app gets launched, you look at that metadata and say, okay, this is Onka Active for JJs. So the provider is auto selected there, right? At the same time, if somebody goes to ankaactive.com and says download app, or he directly goes to Play Store and does a download app, yes, then what you said matters. Then you'll have to give him the provider selection. If somebody lands up to ankaactive.com, you show him all the activities and the providers, right? So some similar. Then do this profile, uh, like what activities you're interested in. Based on that, figure out which provider. What is the short list of providers he can select based on the activities.
And you should allow the user to select the city also. The way we do it in Book My Show, we can select the city, and based on city, it gives the information of the shows, right? Same thing.
Yeah, you can change the default. See,
yeah, it will default show the IP address city, but we should be able to select the city the way we want.
Yeah, you will be able to change it.
That is possible in the web app, but mobile, we need to give the option also.
मोबाइल भी होता है भाई, बुक माई शो में होता है ना. By default, pick up Bangalore for me, then I can choose a city whichever I want.
So okay, so manually we need to go and change that location, right?
But, you are in, it will say you are in Bangalore and shows
Hmm.
all the Bangalore based activity.
Hmm.
And if I change the city, मैं जाके click करके if I change city, it'll show me that city's activities.
ठीक है, ठीक है. That way I will figure it out. Anyhow,
Hmm.
web app that search location is there already. We implemented in this mobile app. We need to provide.
Yeah. See, basically you need to build a user's profile,
Hmm.
right? You need to get his profile is more and more data from that person,
Mm-hmm.
right? Where at the time of sign up, all you get is a name, email, phone number. That's it,
Mm-hmm.
right? And through his IP address, you get his city. But you don't know more about that person. You don't even know the gender. You don't know his age. You don't know what his interest is. So
Mm-hmm.
if you do a walkthrough of those apps, one of those apps, or those other activity apps,
Mm-hmm.
you will see that they'll prompt you to build your profile. For example, any of these music apps, if you
Mm-hmm.
look at any of these music apps, if they have to give you the right music selection, if you take YouTube Music or Spotify or Wing,
Mm-hmm.
they have to give you the right music selection. um, they will ask you, who are the artists you're interested in, Arijit Singh, Sukhwinder Singh.
Mm-hmm.
Based on that, they'll give you these modern songs. If you select Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, they'll give you different songs,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that is kind of the app getting to know the user better. Okay, so
That's fine, Pierre. But the initially, suppose he signed up, and initially, if we are asking that which city you are, or the what kind of activity you are looking, so we are restricting. Basically, you need to land up in our home page, right?
hmm.
So
Yeah,
that
no, no. We have already taken the city, so he has an option to change it. You are not forcing him to change it.
so that the time of changing, we need to show that option, right?
No, we can show that he is in. This is the city he is in. We need to show that what is the city that has been selected for him.
Hmm. No, my question is based on, suppose I downloaded a Onka Active. I'm not downloaded the JJS or some other provider app. Okay.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
did a login, not login, I did a sign up. Okay.
Hmm.
So after the sign up, I need to see the mobile app, like landing page.
Hmm.
Do you want to restrict? They need to choose the city, or they need to choose the provider on that time, or
Their
that
city has
option you need to provider, you need, matlab
Then
that,
their city has already been chosen. Show it
so provider, we need to
on the
restrict.
top. Show it. When I log into an app, it shows me that I'm in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so show that top left corner or somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
the way you show it on your web app.
Hmm.
uh, you can show it,
Okay.
right, that is in Bangalore. And if I go and click on that, gives me a drop down to change it. Right, what if I'm temporarily in a different city, or what if I'm on VPN?
Mm-hmm.
Right, if
Mm-hmm.
I'm on VPN, you won't even get to know my city. IP address will give you some random thing.
Okay.
So based on those things, on the top left corner show that you're in Bangalore. And if he wants to change, he can always click on that. Intuitively, he'll click on that, and he can change it. But you can show providers based on Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
Based on auto selected city, you can start showing the providers. If he goes and changes the city, change the providers based on the city.
Okay. One more app you suggested, that is called Healthify Me.
Huh.
So Healthify Me, if you open without any sign up,
Hmm.
they are asking what brings to you Healthify Me, and there is a weight loss, coach guidance, diet plan,
Hmm.
count calories, home workout, muscles gain.
Hmm.
So this is the one another. example.
Hmm.
So that
Yeah,
is before login.
I'm actually fine with user hanging around on our app without logging in for getting some basic information to know about us,
Hmm.
right? I mean,
Hmm.
there won't be a lot of privileged access that he'll get. He'll get
Hmm.
to see what programs we have, what providers we have. He'll get to see all of those.
Hmm.
It doesn't need to, the sign in need not be mandatory for somebody who comes to our app. For example, I think if you go to Cult, if you
Hmm.
download a Cult app,
Hmm.
you're not forced to sign up. You can
Yes.
sign up when you register for a program.
Hmm.
Yeah, but you can hang around. You can see videos, right? You can see some past videos. You can read some articles. You can read weblogs and all those things. You can do all of those. You can watch some videos. I was on Cult app for nearly 2-3 days, browsing all the things they have before I did a test sign up on their page.
Hmm.
So there was enough content there, even
So the
without
for
logging in.
yeah, so for Onka Active, we need to provide some similar kind of stuff without logged in.
You have it on web app, no?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Same thing, no?
Hmm.
Web app also, I can see all the providers
All
and
this. Hmm.
activities without login, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So it's the same content here also.
Okay. ठीक है.
You can, in the bottom, maybe you can do a fixed two buttons,
Hmm.
login and sign up. In, I mean, I mean, ideas. I'm just throwing
Hmm.
loud thinking ideas
Hmm.
to accelerate somebody's login or sign up, or to remind them that they need to log in or sign up.
Hmm.
You can show that. Uh, um, yeah, the but they should be able to see what is being offered even before they are forced to provide their personal access information.
Okay. Can you make me a host?
You are right.
No, no, you are the host.
Deepak, just provide the option under security, share screen so that anybody can do it anytime without you having to make
Where? Where
anyone
is
host.
it?
At the bottom toolbar you see, right?
Yes.
Start video, mute, unmute. There you see something security.
I made
Okay.
it.
Okay. Yes. Yes. I got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So this is cut fit, and another one is this Healthify.
Ah, yeah.
So Healthify
You look
first
at
they.
the top right, already a user, which means if somebody is logged in,
Hmm.
he can easily click on already a user and do his login. If he's not logged in,
Hmm.
all these options are there. Hmm.
So I think this is the way, like this is proper instead of
This
showing
is
everything.
building the profile of the user essentially,
Huh.
right? You get to know about the user.
Hmm. So in this section, he need to like go on that particular thing. Like suppose I need to want to see only home workout. On that case, I will click on that and I will go there.
Hmm.
Okay. Now they are asking for the login.
Hmm.
In CutFit, everything like website. Without login, I can see each and everything.
Yeah, yeah. There are a bunch of videos. I watched some of those
Hmm.
fitness videos, some weight training videos I watched.
Hmm. Okay. So similar way that I'm not, I just want to ask what are the things I need to keep here as per our like application. We have
What
a
is there on your web app? Same.
activity. Yeah, activity provider,
Activity provider, ecom, uh,
ecom. Yeah,
news.
new.
Yeah,
Okay, and that promotional videos are there. That also.
yeah, yes. Whatever. I mean, don't think very differently. Otherwise, you will be reinventing everything. Don't think of reinventing everything.
Okay.
You have a non-logged in Anka active user who is not on a provider page. Whatever you're doing there, see how you can do it in this form factor. If there is a value add in this form factor, think on those value add in this form factor. So what comes here is not even a question. It has already been answered by you in the Anka active non-logged in, whatever accesses you have over there, all of that accesses are available here also.
Okay.
The end of the day, your backend,
Hmm.
which is serving both web app as well as mobile app, the backend doesn't even need to know, are you coming from mobile app or are you coming from web app? It doesn't even need to know, right? It's just API accesses to the backend.
Okay. Okay. Then the similar way I will make it for the mobile app. Next is the login. One second, I need to open that link as well. So this is not non-logged in. The same thing will come in the mobile app. FAQ also required, PR.
Yeah.
But it should be too long, no?
Yeah. I mean, make it compact.
Oh.
Only the tip of the iceberg that, if you want to see FAQ, basically
We'll
FAQ.
give an option like icon type if they
No,
want.
just do this ask a question and FAQ. Just that's it.
Okay. This much
Right. The
area.
moment he starts typing on the text bar,
Hmm.
using the help strings and all that, you can narrow it down.
Okay.
Then you can lead him to FAQ the moment he starts typing on that.
Okay. And this part? This part is required in mobile app.
No, obviously not, right? You're
Yeah.
already
Yes.
in the mobile.
Yeah. No, not. I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about the right hand side. That is a different fitness export.
That one. No, he's already come to the mobile app. So let's see. I mean, he'll log
Yeah.
in beyond. If he wants to get some information beyond, he'll
So this section completely I will hide in a mobile app.
actually leave a message. Yeah, I guess not required. Not required.
Yeah.
They log in at this point of time. If they've downloaded the app and come this far, we should trust that, okay, there is enough good content that they will create a profile and move forward.
Okay. Then this part will be coming. And once he logged in, then definitely AOD we need to show. Correct?
Yeah. So I mean, before that, provider, uh, the if he has come directly from a provider, so provider non-logged in.
Yes. Okay, provider non-logged in, only this section will not come. This provider
Ah,
tab will not come.
ah,
Rest of the item will be there, and the schedule one will be there.
correct.
Activity schedule will be there.
Yeah. Yeah.
But once he logged in, then the activity of the day will be there,
Yeah.
and then this schedule and rest like activities and shops again, all those and on bytes.
Hmm.
Okay, so now I'm coming on this part again. Where is my wireframe? So this is nothing. This is our activity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our activity. This is
It's basically the activity of the day, workouts, the top line.
hmm, this one.
Yeah, right, PR?
Yeah. Those were AODs. Broadcast
Mm.
is essentially now AODs, right?
Mhm. So this
Yeah.
is AOD, and this one, I think this is a chat one, right?
Yeah. Those are chats. Yeah.
This is a chat, and this is the status, uh, like how much they are
Right.
doing.
Within the program. Yeah. Those
Yes.
are applicable only for multi-day programs. If it is a single, if it is a workshop kind of thing, that is optional,
Okay.
not required.
Okay, because this things is not available on the web app. This section. It is in my activity page, not in the home page.
Correct. Correct.
Hmm. So we need to show here.
Yes.
Okay. And what is this one?
This is yet another. See, a person can be part of multiple activities, right?
Mm-hmm.
So sequentially, one after the other, these are the multiple activity uh, related sections. You see this grayed out section, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which has a broadcast and a chat,
Hmm.
right? If I'm part of a trekking group, for example,
Hmm.
and I'm also simultaneously part of a running group,
Hmm.
right? So I mean, under a same provider, I'm not saying different providers. Let's take the example of a yoga program and a running program. Let's say
Hmm.
I'm part of both programs simultaneously.
Hmm.
I will have chats within the yoga programs. I will have chats within the running program. Within running program, I will have captain's chat, group chat, all of that, right?
Hmm.
So the top section, what is scrolled up is all of these related to the running activity.
Hmm. Okay.
Hmm? Let's say I'm signed up for this WTS 2020,
Hmm.
which just started yesterday.
Hmm.
So I will get the WTS 2020 AODs on the top.
Hmm.
Okay. After that, an easy way to access. So again, see, this design was done before we did your web app design.
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
Okay. So all the ideas that you have brought together in the web app are not here. This
Yes.
design was done like 5-6 months back.
Hmm.
Okay. So this design is stale.
Okay.
If you have better ideas,
Hmm.
based on what we have already done for web app landing page,
Hmm.
we should consider that.
Okay. ठीक है. Because that in the existing idea, if there is a multiple of broadcast, there is a scroll arrow icon will be coming. Here it is a touch. So once you scroll, that section detail will be coming.
Uh, See here, I'll tell you one problem is when the AOD comes,
Hmm.
a person has to click on it.
Yes.
Okay, whereas in web app, what we've done is when the AOD comes, it's open on the page,
Yes. Hmm.
right? There is no clicking business. Ideally, I would prefer same behavior here also, that when the AOD comes and it is the one single topmost priority AOD, which means I have a workout today and the AOD for that AOD workout, AOD for that workout has come. Uh, Take half a page and show, file line preview of that. And if AOD happens to be longer than half a page, let it be clickable, and you can pop up the full AOD.
Okay.
Okay, but otherwise show the file line preview. In many cases, many of the captains keep the AODs within file lines. Uh, and I mean the common workflow for a user for a given workout is he gets a notification. So one is the notification has to come on time, so the notification comes to the mobile phone. He goes and clicks on the notification. He doesn't open your app actually. He goes and clicks on the notification. The notification opens the app directly into the AOD. So with just a click on the notification, he knows what he's going to do today.
Okay, so it will be directly landing up the activity page.
Yes, directly from the notification, it should land directly into the AOD.
Okay.
So AOD notification comes, jump into AOD.
Okay. Yeah.
So 0 clicks into the app.
That's fine. So similar way I will keep, but this two, three information I need to keep extra here.
Yeah, those are after that. Those are below. I mean, once he's done with the AOD, he will start scrolling and he'll start seeing, okay, like it's after we complete our workout and we go and look at Strava to see, okay, how far I have reached and all those things.
Okay, so by default it will not come.
No, it will come. It will come. I mean, for every program that I am part of, it will show me that in this program, what is my status? How further long the program is going to be there. So that runner indication shows it. It need not be a runner. I mean, you can choose something else. I mean, it was designed to be runner specific, so I put there a runner over there. And what is my participation rate? And how many kilometers, how many, all these things. These information are coming from Strava.
Okay. And then what is else? Okay, that's it then. I think nothing much for the logged in user then.
Yeah.
Any more input which I forgot to take that? This one, that is the existing one, that is not required.
Yeah, I mean, these are just one person's ideas. Take,
yeah, definitely I will provide a wireframe, and
yeah,
there is a multiple of rework as well.
See, there are far more user interactions, easy user interactions on the mobile. Sliding to the left, sliding to the right, not just sliding up and down. Right? The whole page, for example, this gray thing which I've shown, this whole thing, if it is one page, just slide it to the right and I go to the next program that I'm part of. Right? In this image, I have shown scroll up, scroll down in this wireframe, but it need not be scroll up, scroll down wireframe. If I want to see my next program, it can be a scroll to the right. It can be. I'm just
yeah. The thing is, these days this trending is going on, but the problem is that the multiple of the people are not aware about that. For example, just I purchased my OnePlus mobile, and here
Okay.
scroll up, scroll down function is almost negligible. The first time I opened that Amazon, and there, if I need to go back, I need to either I need to drag it on a left side. Then
Hmm.
I will go to the back, and that feature I don't know. Generally, I means my experience is there is a
Yeah.
back button. Once I click on back, and or there is a some arrow icon, then it should go. So I need to capture these things on a multiple of experience, like 2 3 days, 1 week, uh, that I understand, okay, that I will do. And sometimes we are doing a drag and drop in a wrong way as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these features are coming recently, but that is again mm, I can say like 60 70% people are not aware about that. Who
Okay.
is very techie guy, like always do on a mobile, like youngsters generally. I'm also youngster, but I'm little old. That youngster, so they knows all those features. I mean, I can think about that. My son will knows this left and right one, but for me,
Hmm.
that's a scroll up, scroll down is easy.
Yeah. I mean, majority of the
Huh.
cases it is scroll up, scroll down.
Hmm.
But if you see, if you show the tabs on the top,
Hmm.
then people will do left, right.
Hmm.
For example, if you see WhatsApp now,
Hmm.
chats, the first tab is the chats,
Hmm.
second tab is the status, third tab is the calls, and you can do slide left, slide right to switch the tabs.
Hmm.
Right? You
Hmm.
actually don't have to go and click on status or click on calls on the WhatsApp screen.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes,
Right?
yes. Hmm.
You can just slide.
Yeah. That is also, PR. Once you clicked on the every tabs, then it will happen. Just now I checked. So if you suppose if you logged in just now, okay, and you are in a chat, you haven't visited on the status and calls. If
Yeah.
you do right, it will not work.
Oh, is it?
Yes. So that is that a feature kind of back button they are disabled, because these days Apple also not, they are not providing that thumbs and back, that square box and all. So
Yeah.
that left and right option they are providing.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
that is also, once you click on the tabs, then it will work. Otherwise, it won't be work.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. I mean, so
Hmm.
the usability inputs have to come from you.
Hmm.
I'm just throwing a few ideas that I have seen, but I'm not
Hmm.
good at that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. ठीक है. Then I have a three page now. So one is login, and another is the sign up. Login and sign up, one page. And there's the directly if they are downloading the Onka app, Onka active app, then
Hmm.
what are the screen will come. And the third one is once they are logged in, then what are the screen will come.
Hmm.
I think this three screen is enough for now for me. I need to take a time to design it.
Hmm.
So next weekend we can connect, or in a
Yeah, yeah.
weekdays is, I think weekdays is not possible for you, right?
Weekdays, no, yeah. It will
Okay.
be. I prefer Saturdays.
Actually, yesterday I had some financial things I need to sort it out. Actually,
But
some flats related something was there.
yeah, sure.
So they are put a penalty over to me.
Hmm.
So I need to close it. That's why I told I'm outside. So
Yeah.
next Saturday, or again, like for me, Saturday, Sunday, both are, I'm just either one day I'm keeping free for the outside work. Okay.
Hmm.
We'll try to Saturday. If there is a really very urgent work, then we'll connect on the Sunday. Generally, we'll do the Saturday only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ajay, any inputs from your side? Or once I will provide, then you will provide your inputs.
No, once you provide, I'll take it forward. मेरे को देखना है उसको बाद में bet करेंगे. We'll bet it out. Okay.
That's better. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, sir. Thank you then.
Thanks. Bye. Thanks, guys.
नव्या
अरे दीपक अजय और पीआर ठक ठक करके निकल गए, मुझे कुछ पूछना था उनसे।
तो आप
We had
डाल दो, अभी
discussed.
अभी अभी मैं क्लोज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप मैसेज डाल दो।
I'll check, yeah, because we had some things to discuss on the version 1 thing. Okay,
अरे यार
let me check.
रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज दे दो, नहीं तो हम लोग लटक जाएंगे बहुत गंदे तरीके
कौन
से।
सा registration page?
अरे प्रोग्राम रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज है, अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ रन्स का है, अदर एक्टिविटी का नहीं है।
You mean template?
यस यस, नॉट टेम्पलेट,
Then?
फॉर्म।
हाँ, वही template versus form. इसीलिए, I
यस
mean,
यस।
different activities will have different templates, right? Okay, so this has to go through Naveen again, because I can be specific to
आप
JJ's
मैसेज डालो,
only.
मैं अभी क्लोज नहीं किया, आप मैसेज डालो, नहीं तो वो लोग फिर शायद पीआर को
I mean,
हॉस्पिटल निकलना है।
it's gone. Leave it. It's gone. Now it won't happen. It won't happen. Forget it.
ओके ओके
I will
ओके
connect back sometime later.
ओके ठीक है।
That's fine. So I was saying this registration template is, I can only have it given as per the JJ, from the JJ's perspective. So it will be Naveen importantly here. Okay.
JJS,
Right back on the please.
JJS also, I think according to the PR, we have a run and the yoga as well.
हाँ, we have it from home. Yeah.
Yeah, so yoga का template तो मिल ही जाएगा।
हाँ, that I currently whatever I have, I can give it. Yes.
हाँ, even gym भी है, run,
That
yoga and gym, three
that
activities
you
for
will
the
have
JJS.
access, no, Deepak, already on the app. Why don't you check that? So on the mobile app,
हाँ,
if you chose any fit from home FFH program, once you click on register, you can see we have simplified registration there. Okay, because we
ठीक
don't
है।
need much details compared to running.
हाँ हाँ।
And if you click on WTS, it will give the running specific registration
और
form.
जिम वाला?
Gym वाला है नहीं।
हाँ, जिम वाला भी है
फिलहाल
actually।
तो फिलहाल
JJS
तो fit from home है, which will
हाँ,
cover your yoga as well, because fit from home we are covering different types of workouts. It is a combination basically, whatever workout that can be done from home. So that is one category. Other one is running only.
ओके ठीक है।
रनिंग आपको WTS में मिलेगा, वो फिट फ्रॉम होम FFH करके है प्रोग्राम, FFH अक्टूबर, FFH ऑटम 2 है. You can refer either and take that template as well.
ओके ठीक है।
Okay, so I will reply back. Let's hear from Naveen there on the group. Okay,
ओके ओके
done.
चलो,
Thanks, Deepak. Bye.
ओके बाय बाय।